Happy Wednesday. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are upstairs on the landing and I'm going to show you how to take a boring, and I mean boring space, and jazz it up for Christmas. We're talking furniture, rugs, lighting, mirrors, reflective properties, berries, garland, wreaths, texture, and bring it to life. So I'm going to take you down, I'm going to show you the space, and then we'll begin. So right here, you will see the staircase leading upstairs. Now, please excuse my light ring mess here on the floor. This is what I have going on so far. This is my Ashley Furniture chippy white cabinet that I love so much. It was downstairs and I moved it up here. And you can see I've got my Mackenzie Childs inspired lamps that I got on Amazon for a fraction of the price. So cute. And we're gonna do something on the wall. We're gonna decorate this. Okay, let's move over here. We have this space here next to the master bedroom, and I thought, what could I do here? So we're gonna address this next. We're gonna move over here and do something on this wall. You can see right here, we've got this long walkway. I'm gonna add something to the wall down there. We're gonna add rugs to warm up this space. And my hope is that as you come up the staircase, it's gonna look gorgeous for Christmas. Those lamps are so cute. Okay, let me go grab my mirror and we'll get started. I love that we have 12-foot ceilings up here. It makes the space feel so much more grand. But now let's add a wreath. And the way I add a wreath is by adding a simple tack right there. That allows you to hang a wreath through the seasons. So now I'm gonna add this wreath from Walmart. I got it last year. Lighten and sort of brighten the space, but also add a backdrop with a pop of texture. I'm gonna go in with my wood shutters from Hobby Lobby and then add a textural element, which will be a wreath. We're gonna have 3 wreaths up here. So here is a white, chippy, rustic wood shutter. It matches my cabinet perfectly. It's bright white and distressed. And then I have this wreath that I got from Amazon. I have 2 of them. So what we're gonna do is angle this, and you can see right here I have a screw, and then I can hang my wreath from this. Going to go behind the lamps, and then I have another one that I'm going to put in the front. So it's going to give a more full look when you use 2. But look how pretty this is. I love this garland, and I have no idea where I purchased it. I wish I knew. So that garland is in the back, and now I'm going to put another one in the front. now I'm gonna go in with these beautiful red berries that I got on Amazon. I'll link them below. And I'm just gonna strategically place them in amongst the greenery. To finish the look off, I have some pine cones in different sizes, and I'm going to add it to this look. Come up the stairs, this is what you see. Okay, now we're going to address the area you see behind me. I'm gonna bring in an old rustic black cabinet. We need to jazz it up here. Before I bring the cabinet in, we're gonna hang some wall art. I have this sign that says Gather. It's from Hobby Lobby. My daughter bought it for me. And then I have this little architectural piece. Hang it above the picture like this. Back with the reds, the greens, the berries. I just think it's gonna look beautiful. And the black will also tie into that mirror. So I think that looks cute and different. Now I'm gonna drag the black cabinet in. We're gonna add lighting, garland, and some Christmas trees. Black cabinet grounded everything, and the lighting just made this space feel like a whole new space. And I like how it's uplighting the picture. And so now I can fill in. I go in with this Hobby Lobby garland, and let's see how this turns out. So I love these little touch base lamps that you can get on Amazon. They come in different colors for the top, but you literally just touch. How cool is that? And now I want to fill in the space right here. Look at this. It's so light and airy and pretty. I love the pop of black up here against all this whiteness. Just warms up the space. So now let me go grab my Christmas trees. 2 black Christmas trees and 1 red one. And let's see what I do.
When things look impossible, whistle.
So I think it looks cute. As you come up the stairs and you turn, you'll see this. I love it. Now let's turn to this wall and let's focus on that. I love farmhouse. I love French country. It soothes my soul. So, Anyway, I'm going in with this piece that I got from Hobby Lobby. I got it 50% off. I mean, I just couldn't pass it up. You guys know how I love my architectural pieces. I'm going in with this little rack that I got from Hobby Lobby. We're gonna put that underneath, and this is going to become a place where I hang a seasonal wreath. I think that looks awfully cute. But now I'm gonna tie the wreath that I put over here on the arched mirror to over here. So when you walk up the stairs and you turn, it all looks cohesive. This is yet another one of those wreaths from Walmart. And now we're gonna hang one thing down there. And so as you go down the hallway, you see the reflection of that in that mirror. So everything is set in place and I love it. And I love the hardwood floors, but I feel like the warmth of a rug is going to make all the difference. I ordered 2 of these long extended runners on Amazon. So if you have a large walkway, these are perfect. But you're gonna see how these rugs literally transform the space. You see the difference that makes? I love it. As you come up the stairs, you see this. Then as you turn, you see that. Then as you turn that way to the 2 bedrooms that are down there, I have yet another one. Well, friends, that will wrap up my video today. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I jazzed up the upstairs landing. And it doesn't take much, you know? Lighting, texture, layering, rugs for warmth, and you've got a cute festive space for Christmas. I will see you guys back here Friday, and I so appreciate it if when you're doing your Christmas shopping or any kind of shopping, if you would first click on my store link, it would greatly help me. It helps me because then I can scour Amazon for all the latest, greatest finds for the upcoming season. So again, you don't have to buy anything, just clicking helps so much. Greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here Friday. Happy Christmas decorating. Mwah.